Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the fuel filter on Volkswagen Touran 2 liters TDI PD. This car is equipped with the 2 liters TDI PD engine and engine code BMM. The fuel filter on this car is located in the engine compartment. It's located just there. To remove the fuel filter, we need to remove the fuel filter cap, which is held by those 5 bolts. We also need to remove those 2 bolts and the nut right there, which holds the fuel filter housing. We need to remove the fuel filter housing so that we can clean it. First, we'll start by removing the 5 bolts holding the fuel filter cap. You don't need to disconnect any fuel lines, just remove those bolts and put the fuel filter cap to the side. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's all the bolts removed. Next I'm going to remove the fuel filter cap, but you need a screwdriver in order to pry it out. There's a little gap in there where you can put in the screwdriver and just lift it up. That's the fuel filter cap removed. Now I'm going to remove the fuel filter from the cap, and now I'm going to put the cap to the side. Next I'm going to remove the fuel filter. To remove the fuel filter, I'm going to get a pick so that I can lift up the fuel filter. And that's the fuel filter out. I'm going to wait for it just to drain a little bit and then take it out. Next I'm going to remove the 3 bolts holding the fuel filter housing and clean the fuel filter housing. That's the fuel filter housing out. You can see it's filled with diesel. I'm going to drain the diesel and maybe use brake cleaner to clean the fuel filter housing. That's it clean. Now I'm going to put it back on the car, put on the 3 bolts and tighten them. Next I'm going to put on the new fuel filter. This is the new fuel filter, that's the part number for it. Now I'm going to put it on into the fuel filter housing, and there is also an O-ring that we need to replace on the fuel filter cap. I'm again going to use my pick to remove the O-ring and then replace it with a new one. That's the O-ring on the fuel filter cap replaced. Now I'm going to put the fuel filter cap back onto the fuel filter housing, and I'm going to push it all the way in. If you can't push it all the way in by hand, get some pliers and just push it in from one side and from the other side, and it will go in. Before using my pliers, first I'm going to put two bolts in there so that I know that the fuel filter cap is going in the right way. And now I'm going to use my pliers just to push it in from one side and then from the other side. Here you can see how it went in all the way. Now I'm going to put on all the bolts and tighten them. And that's the fuel filter replaced. Next I'm gonna go inside the car and try to prime the fuel system. This car has electric supply pump in the fuel tank, so in order to prime the fuel system we need to turn the ignition on and off for about 10 to 15 times. Once we turn the ignition on, hold it for 3, 4 to 5 seconds and then turn the ignition off, and then turn the ignition on again, holding it for 5 seconds, and like that 10-15 times. When you turn the ignition on and off, you hear the electric pump starting to work for a couple of seconds every time. Like I said, do it about 10 to 15 times, ignition on and off, and then you can start the car. Once you start the car, maybe press the accelerator pedal for a little bit, hold it to around 2 to 3000 RPM for 5, 10, 15 seconds, and then let go of the accelerator, and that's the fuel system being primed. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.